Hey everyone. Today's topic is a major update that's sending shockwaves through the EV world, especially for those closely watching ONVO, NIO's exciting sub-brand. Whether you're an investor, an electric vehicle enthusiast, or someone who has placed an order for an ONVO model, this news is going to catch your attention. ONVO just rolled out a bold new policy that not only highlights its commitment to fast deliveries, but also signals how serious the company is about ramping up production and customer satisfaction. Stick around because what's coming next might reshape expectations around delivery timelines, reward systems, and NIO's push for profitability as we move deeper into Q3. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. ONVO has officially announced a customer-first initiative that's turning heads across the EV space. From now on, any customer who places an order for an ONVO vehicle, whether it's the L60 or the more in-demand L90, will be eligible for a daily reward if the delivery is delayed beyond 4 weeks. Specifically, if the vehicle is not delivered within 28 days, starting on day 29, the buyer will receive 500 loyalty points for every day the delay continues. This is not only a smart customer retention strategy, but it also reinforces how committed ONVO is to honoring its delivery promises. Let's talk about why this is a big deal. For starters, the ONVO L90 has already stirred a lot of anticipation among buyers, with many waiting eagerly to get behind the wheel. By implementing this policy, ONVO is publicly committing to cutting down on long wait times, something that's been a thorn in their side in the past. Remember the ONVO L60? That model saw impressive early demand, with nearly 60,000 orders. However, delays in delivery led to customer frustration, especially during festive seasons, and many buyers eventually canceled their orders. That experience hurt ONVO's image and gave competitors a chance to step in. But now, it's clear ONVO has learned from that misstep. This latest move seems tailored to reassure customers that they won't be kept waiting endlessly. It also builds trust at a crucial time when NIO is trying to scale its new sub-brand. The company wants buyers to know that if they put their money down, they'll either get their car on time or get rewarded for the delay. Currently, estimated delivery timelines for the ONVO L90 range from 8 to 10 weeks. With the new reward system in place, the company is likely aiming to cut that timeline significantly to retain customer interest. It's a proactive approach that could help reduce cancellation rates and improve overall satisfaction. And here's why this couldn't have come at a better time. September could be a major breakout month for ONVO, especially for the L90 model. Projections suggest that deliveries could surpass 15,000 units for the L90 alone. As for the L60, if production stays on track and demand holds, we might see over 20,000 deliveries for that model too. Combined, these numbers would put ONVO in a great position to elevate NIO's total monthly deliveries to impressive new heights. Let's not forget the bigger picture. If ONVO achieves its delivery goals, NIO's total deliveries, including those from ONVO and Firefly, could easily break the 50,000 barrier. That's a massive leap and would be a defining moment for the company, especially considering the upcoming launch of new models like the ES8 and L80. The ES8 is expected to arrive in September, while the L80 is scheduled for Q4. These vehicles are set to further boost NIO's lineup and close the year with a powerful delivery surge. Now, some skeptics might argue that profitability is still far off, especially given NIO's past financials. But that viewpoint is starting to look outdated. Earlier this year, NIO was grappling with high R&D costs and offering steep discounts to move its cars, particularly those under the main brand. However, that landscape is changing. The company has significantly scaled back on discounts, indicating stronger product-market fit and higher customer willingness to pay full price. Plus, NIO introduced its centralized business unit CBU strategy around March, which appears to be streamlining operations and controlling excessive R&D spending. This shift is expected to reflect positively in the financials starting Q2 and continuing into Q3 and Q4. The CEO himself hinted that a turnaround was underway, and if current trends hold, we're likely to see a much leaner and more profitable NIO in the second half of the year. Now let's talk about Firefly, another one of NIO's rising stars. Recent developments suggest that Firefly is running market tests in Australia, a country where hatchbacks and compact cars account for 7% of total vehicle sales. If Firefly manages to break into this segment, it could give stiff competition to popular models like the Mini Cooper and other smart city cars already present in the Australian market. Just imagine the market share potential if Firefly grabs even a fraction of that segment. But that's not all. Firefly is also expanding in Europe. Deliveries are beginning in Norway and the Netherlands, two markets known for their early adoption of EVs. These international expansions are not just about brand visibility, they're about volume. Every car sold in these markets adds to NIO's global delivery numbers and moves them closer to becoming a dominant international electric vehicle player. All these pieces together: ONVO's commitment to faster deliveries, the reward system for delays, the upcoming ES8 and L80 models, Firefly's expansion into Australia and Europe, and a leaner financial strategy paint a very promising picture. Yes, the share price may not be skyrocketing at the moment, but smart investors know that delivery numbers, product quality, and customer satisfaction are the real indicators of long-term success. We're witnessing a very different NIO than the one we saw earlier this year. Back in Q1 and Q4, high R&D costs and heavy discounting cast doubt on their profitability path. But now, the company seems to be on a much more stable and efficient course. They're no longer burning cash at the same rate, and they're being strategic about every new launch and every market entry. So here's the bottom line. ONVO is making a bold promise: deliver your car within 28 days or get rewarded. It's a clear sign that NIO and its sub-brand are ready to compete not just on specs or price, but on reliability and customer experience. With big delivery numbers expected in the coming months, new models like the ES8 and L80 around the corner, and Firefly spreading its wings globally, NIO is entering what could be its most transformative phase yet. If they can sustain this momentum, hit their targets, and maintain quality, the second half of 2025 might just be the tipping point for NIO's journey toward global EV dominance. Buckle up, things are about to get exciting. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.